Welcome to Project Guts, and this is a tutorial relating to a project that we call Painting Turtle Challenge. And basically what we're doing here is we are going to build on what we did before, which was a very basic project that we called Flower Turtles, and that was the one where we got them to set up and then to make a very small flower, and then you guys played around hopefully and learned a little bit more about the code. So we don't want to necessarily start from a totally new project, but what we're going to do is we're going to remix what we already have. And when we remix, we click this button here. What happens is that it basically just makes a new copy. We get a new number here, and you can see that it has at the end of the title a remix. And you can also see that the code is still there that we had before. So that helps us because we don't have to start from a brand new project. But we are going to get rid of this information because that's going to change, and ours is going to be painting turtles now. And the objective is to get turtles to move around and to draw paths on Spaceland and to experiment with different kinds of turtle movement. So we already have them set up and they can do this nice little circle flower pattern, but we'd like it to be a little bit more unpredictable so that we can't know exactly what the pattern's going to be. And one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to go into this setup, and instead of creating 5 turtles and then moving forward 3 steps in a pattern, we're going to get rid of that forward. We don't need it, and we can go ahead and trash that. Let's create more turtles. How about 50? And we're going to scatter them. So we'd like them to be all over the place and in an unpredictable way. So we can run code, setup, and you can see that they're scattered in on Spaceland. So that looks pretty good. That's what I like. And then I want to play around with their movement. So instead of them making these nice little circles, looks like big bowl of SpaghettiOs or something like that, what I'd like to do is to get them to move around in an unpredictable way. And we can do that by using a block that we haven't used before called random. And so what I want you to do is you can see that the shape of this can fit into some areas here, and I'd like you to use random as well as another block similar to the left, but in this case it's going to be a right. And I want you to play around and get your turtles to just do some crazy stuff on the Spaceland and to try using different ways of getting to that craziness and think about what that random block is doing. Enjoy and share with us and let us know what you find out.